Grilled octopus is a delicious and unique seafood dish that's popular in many cuisines. Here's a basic recipe for preparing grilled octopus. Ingredients: 1 whole octopus, 1/4 cup olive oil for cloves garlic, mince 2 lemons, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste optional, red pepper flakes for heat, fresh parsley. Chopped instructions. Cleaning and preparing the octopus. Start by cleaning the octopus. Rinse it under cold water and remove the beak from the center of the tentacles. You can also remove the eyes if desired. To tenderize the octopus, you can freeze it for a day and then thaw it before cooking. Alternatively, you can use a meat mallet to gently pound the octopus, which helps to break down its tough fibers. Marinating the octopus. In a bowl, combine the olive oil, minced garlic, lemon juice, lemon zest, dried oregano, salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes. Mix the marinade well. Place the cleaned and tenderized octopus into a large resealable plastic bag or a shallow dish. Pour the marinade over the octopus, making sure it's evenly coated. Seal the bag or cover the dish and let it marinate in the refrigerator for at least 1 to 2 hours. Or overnight for better flavor penetration. Grilling the octopus. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. If you're using charcoal, make sure the coals are ashed over and the grill grates are clean. Remove the octopus from the marinade and shake off any excess. Reserve the marinade for basting. Rotating the tentacles for even cooking. The octopus should develop char marks and become slightly crispy on the outside. Basting while grilling. Baste the octopus with the reserved marinade to keep it moist and add extra flavor. Checking for doneness. Octopus is cooked when the flesh is tender and no longer chewy. You can test it by piercing the thickest part with a fork. It easily slides in and out. The octopus is done. Cooking time can vary, but it's usually around 15 to 20 minutes in total. Final touches. Once the octopus is cooked to your desired tenderness, remove it from the grill and let it rest for a few minutes. Slice the tentacles into bite-sized pieces. Serving. Arrange the grilled octopus on a serving platter. Drizzle with a bit more olive oil if desired, and garnish with chopped fresh parsley. Serve the grilled octopus with lemon wedges on the side. Grilled octopus is often enjoyed as an appetizer or a main course, and it pairs well with a variety of side dishes, such as roasted vegetables, salads, or a simple potato dish. Enjoy your delicious and flavorful grilled octopus